Good morning, fifth grade. This is Miss J. Today is Wednesday, May 27th. To be prepared for math review today, you should have completed all of your practice problems already. If you haven't done that, pause the video now, complete it, and then resume the video. If you have completed your practice problems, you have your work in front of you with the pencil ready to make any necessary revisions. So for problem number 1, I'm going to look at the line below. Where would you place 2 6/10 on this line? Our answer choices are B, C, D, or E. So if we're trying to place 2 6/10 on this number line, which two numbers would we place 2 6/10 between? That's right, 2 and 3. So we know that our point is going to be between 2 and 3. Now, if we look at our answer choices, the only possible answer choice is B. The way that we can prove that answer is we know that this halfway mark is going to be 2 5/10 because we know that 5.5 would be our midpoint. So we know that A can't possibly be our answer. So this proves that point B represents 2 6/10. Now, where is point D plotted on this number line? A, 3 5/10, B, 3 5/100, C, 3 55/100, D, 4 55/100. So we see that D is plotted in between 3 and 4. Where's our halfway mark between 3 and 4? That's right, it's right here. So what would this point, if we had a point here, what would that represent? That's right, 3.5. D isn't quite on our halfway mark, so we can eliminate answer choice A. We can also eliminate answer choice B because 3 5/100 is smaller than 3 5/10. We can also eliminate our answer choice D because 4 55/100 would be after 4, but we know D is plotted in between 3 and 4. So we can eliminate D. So our answer choice that's left is 3 55/100. So we know that that is correct. Next, going to multiply fractions. We're multiplying 2 times 3/4. We know that when we're multiplying a whole number by a fraction, we always put our whole number over 1. We're multiplying across. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. And we get 6/4. Now we know that whenever we're multiplying a whole number by a fraction less than 1, our product is always going to be less than our whole number, which in this case, our whole number is 2. And we got 1 and 2/4 because 6/4 is a fraction greater than 1, so we must turn it into a mixed number. So our final product is 1 and 2/4. For our next problem, the location of point A is shown on the number line below. What does point A represent? So we already know that our number is between 0 and 1. Let's look at our answer choices here. Answer choice A is 5/8. Now we know that 5/8 is more than half. So if we look at our halfway mark, our midpoint is always going to be representation of a half, and 5/8 is greater than half. But we're looking for point A, so we can already eliminate 5/8. Answer choice B, 2/4 is equivalent to a half. So this answer choice would be right at our halfway mark. Sorry about that. But we know that B is incorrect because 2/4 is past our point A. Now we have 2.5 or 2.5/4. This is also going to be after our halfway mark, right? Because we know that 2.5 is greater than 2. So it's going to be somewhere between a half and this point here. So we can eliminate C. Our last possible answer choice is D, 3/8. So that is our final answer. Tajai brought $10 to the fair. He spent $3.46 on cotton candy and $2.78 on a toy. How much does he have left over? What operation are we going to be using for this problem? That's right, subtraction. First, we subtracted $3.46 from $10. We got $6.54. Then we subtracted that. We subtracted $2.78 from that. And our final answer is $3.76 is what Tajai had left over. Miles brought $20 to the movies. He spent $13.86 on cotton candy and $4.78 on a toy. How much does he have left over? So this is the exact same kind of problem, and the operation that we're going to be using is subtraction. The secret code for math review today is POTION. 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 Again, the secret code for today's math review is POTION. Potion. So for number 2, your final answer is $1.36 is what Miles will have left over. For number 3, $3.92 is what Jovi will have left over. Now that you've completed your math review and all of your corrections, head over to Google Classrooms to complete your exit ticket.